On Sunday afternoon, a strong hail fell in the city of Tarija and has left considerable damage to private infrastructures and vehicles. The storm also caused several areas to be flooded, and there are reports of power outages. In the area of the Mercado Abasto del Norte, several houses are flooded, neighbors denounced. While on Quilômetro Siete street, some families with children asked for help to get out of their homes. In this same sector, 3 vehicles have been trapped in the middle of the frozen hail, and the police are trying to rescue the motorized vehicles. In another part of the city, the roof of the Agrupa service station could not bear the weight of the hail and gave way. Several people surprised by the hailstorm.